Spray nozzles are leaky and plastic spray guns need replacing season after season. Introducing Turbo Shot, the last nozzle you'll ever need to buy. It's the little sprayer that's big on features. This ultra-durable solid brass spray nozzle is small but packs an incredibly powerful punch. It can blast a stream of water more than 40 feet using 40% less water than other sprayers. The compact Turbo Shot is designed with precision ball bearings for infinite adjustment that's fast and easy to control. Use the power stream for blasting away dirt, grime, and brake dust from your tires and rims. And look, it can topple this line of heavy bricks from a distance of 10 feet. Then even knock over this giant brick. Give it a twist and Turbo Shot produces a misting spray that gently soaks your delicate flowers and shrubs. Twist again for a pinpoint stream. So accurate it shoots right through the center of this ring, while other nozzles spray water everywhere. Now water these potted plants without wasting a single drop. The secret is the no-leak gasket that fills the entire nozzle, plus amazing tri-bearing control for maximum power and precision. Now second-floor windows are quick and easy to clean, or blast dirt out of your concrete faster than ever before. Effortlessly clean out your pickup bed, or get the gunk out of gutters in seconds.
This is so easy to adjust. It works great on my patio furniture and makes any cleanup a breeze.
And look at this. The all-brass construction is so tough you can run over it with a truck and it still works perfectly. Other sprayers waste water and rob you of the power you need. But you can get Turbo Shot today for only $10. And it's guaranteed to be the most durable leak-free sprayer you'll ever own or get your money back. No questions asked. And we're not done yet. You can also get a 25-foot Pocket Hose Ultra, the world's best-selling expanding hose that's now 3 times stronger. You can get it all for $10. Order now.